Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Taco Tuesday. Oh, that sounds so weak, but hey, it is what it is. We almost at the halfway point of 2021. Let me see. Do y'all feel a lot better about 2021 than 2020? Because right now, I can't even tell the difference. We still stuck with the same madness. But hey, we just gotta live each day by day and make the best of it. If you're new to the channel, thanks for subscribing to the channel. And for all of my Money Squad returners, I appreciate you. And always go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, Fly KOL, PM Kicks if y'all haven't done so. Also, go check out our Who Has the Heat. Everything is always in the description box. A lot of people don't check out the description box, but please do so. And Happy New Year, if I haven't said that. Happy New Year. Also, check out everybody on my featured channel as well. Pam Money, Ash Cat, Ashy Reviews, Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Jonah Vlogs. I think that's it. And the rest of it is 313 and PM Kicks and all of them. So, with that being said, let's get into this review. Now, I know this is going to be like a hit or miss video because people don't like to go past 14. Some don't go past 13. But I always like to try new technology. So, my question in this video will be, how much bread is too much bread? Because you can only wear so much black and red shoes. But I like the presentation on this box. It's not as dope as the Dynasty joint, but hey, it is what it is. And as you can see, PP Personal Power went up a full size, so you can do a half size or a full size. It just depends on you. Size 11, black, fire red, reflect silver, Air Jordan 35, suggested retail price $180, and you can see you got that 4D scanner and your RFD with your Puka. Yes, that's right, your Puka. I copped these from Champs. I was very surprised that they had it, and you can see you got the Roman numeral 35 and all of that stuff on the box like so. I was like I said, I always said people want to spend $200+ on retros, but you're not willing to spend 180. You get a discount, 175 or so on new technology. I just don't get it, but hey, it is what it is, right? So the box opens like so unique. You see that? Got that flip over. You got the bread color with that, and you open up, got that transformer vibe, the right? You got that paper right here, and bam, it should look like so. And then you just put it back. It was funny because I had to help the salesperson actually put the stuff right back in the box because he didn't know how the box goes, right? And now I'm messing up. I know how the box goes. There we go. Sorry about that. Got a little bit of delay as is, and bam, and bam. Again, how much bread is too much bread, right? Look at that. Very, very nice. You got your bumpers in the back to protect it. Got a little bit of, okay, dust. I'm about to say clean it off. It looked like a very, very dope performance shoe in my opinion. And y'all already know. Now this one really shows the 5, right? It looks like the 5 to me, especially with the reflective tongue. So it's probably the closest, the most one that looks like the 5 to me overall, right? Right off the rip. You got that red translucent bottom, which really pops. You got that air zoom. I really like this part here with the air, the arch support where you can see through. More of that Puka, right? You coming up here, you got more like a netting type materials here. Then you got suede. There's a stroke. I don't know. Then you got your 23, right here. Then you got your black and red laces, all like so. And you got your reflective tongue, and you're stitching in here with some more suede, right? Come around the side, you got your hits of the cement, which I really, really like. And you got your rivets here on the arch. And like I said, this is kind of like black into the red, really nice. Then you got a little bit of reflective right here on the mini Jumpman, and on the back you got, like I said, that Oreo chocolate chip cement feel on the shoe. And you got your mesh right here, really, really thick padding for your ankle. So I can imagine you balling the knees a lot. Like I said, you got Zion balling the knees. You got Should I had a brain for it. So you got Zion in these, of course, right? And then you got my guy Jason Tatum from the Celtics balling in these as well. And you got one of them on the Celtics player balling in these. I forgot his name. Kemba Walker, yeah. So he balling these well. I like how they put this, I guess, just to protect this back tab. Even though it's not sturdy, hey, it is what it is. Foam is foam, right? Come around on the medial side here. You don't have no jump man or anything. You just have your little thing in here like so. I don't know what is ranked on my pickup. It might be like the 3rd or 4th pickup of 2020, but I'm still waiting on other stuff to come in. And as you can see on these laces, got a red tip. I mean, there's nothing really spectacular about the shoe. This looks like more a true performance shoe. You probably can rock it though, because it is bread, right? Bread you can rock pretty much with anything. So inside the shoe, I like how you got this red transition, then you got your Roman numeral, you got 35 in here, because you see you got the X and then it makes the V right there, 35. And you got your shoe tree, of course, which most Jordans do. So it says 11 to 13. Boy, that's a big shoe tree. And you can see it all inside, all in black. Can't wait, though, for my other stuff to come. I just had to throw that. Got them early 4s coming in on deck. Can't wait to do those videos. I just got off track real quick. But back to this video. Yeah, these are the 35 bread. Again, the question is, how much bread is too much bread? Okay, you never not have enough bread. And I ain't talking about money. I'm talking about bread colorway. So on the little meter, this shoe is not going to overwhelm you. It's a decent shoe. It's rockable. I'll give it about a, we'll grade it on the curve. We give it about a 4.5 out of 5, right? 4.5 out of 5. Of course, it's always nice to get the shoe under retail. And they also got another bread coming in colorway that's coming through, which is actually the Chinese New Year one, which has wear away material. So I'm can't wait to get that one as well. So I'm gonna give it, like I said, again, a 4.5 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this. I think especially if you're a baller, this will be ideal for you, because people are always looking for that extra juice when you're on the court, whether you want to break ankles, whether you're handling, whether you're rebounding, just you're a big man and you need that support. So again, 4.5 out of 5. Leave a comment suggestion below and consider subscribing to the channel. We on the grind. We're gonna break 10K this year. I'm already claiming it now. Other than that, E-Money Shoes, much love. I'm out. Peace.